on the road again. We're headed up to the Swains Creek area on Cedar Mountain. Got a Polaris Ranger that's broke down up there with tracks on it, so we're going to get up there with the Nodwell, and I got Ken Ballard coming with his little IMP Snowcat, and we're going to work our way up there and see what we can do to get them back to the cabin, and we'll take you along for the ride. Beautiful winter day in southern Utah. And what a view. Alright, we're working our way up in here in the first couple grades, and it's snow packed, but it's got pretty good traction. I'm moving along pretty good, just being steady on the throttle. But
this is the one section I was remembering is steep and windy.
Steep and windy, as Ken put it. We're going to keep on moving though. Moving right along. We have to come down this, that's the worst part. They got pretty good traction down on her though. It's a 36-mile section from here to Cedar City. But we're doing all right. We usually get these calls after a big snowstorm, of course, and so we've got snow probably the next 4 or 5 days, but normally what we'll do, we'll wait till about 10 o'clock in the morning to leave home. That gives the plow guys enough time to get out here and plow the roads and put some salt down, so it usually helps us out quite a bit. What a pretty place. How could you complain about this? I just passed a semi back there on that turn. I was cussing. Oh, I agree.
I've never been known for being very smart though.
Look at that out there. Beautiful winter wonderland. got a bass.
That's good.
Maybe come back a little more. Them ramps are pretty long, but not quite that long.
So we did what we could. We actually got it probably a mile from where it originally broke.
Yeah.
Just limping it as best we can.
Well, let's get the cold.
Yeah.
Stack them or?
Let's see, Ken. They just stretch out, don't they? Or do I need to turn it
you
over?
can make them whatever length you want by locking them back in. So you want them full length?
Probably. There, give or take.
Maybe less. Here.
Looks like I'm going to lose my poor flag.
We'll buy you a new one.
Yeah, it'll come off.
I guess it did.
I think we got one in the garage.
That's just the bumper there.
Woo! I might break a sweat if I'm not careful. So where are you guys from?
From Boulder City, Nevada.
Holy crap, you're okay from home?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Where are you guys out of?
Hurricane?
Hurricane. Okay, so you came up the back way there?
Yeah, we came up from Cane Bed just so we didn't have to climb the 14. It's been covered in ice for days.
Yeah.
Or we go right here to this bumper. It's got to be abandoned.
Tell them that's why it ran out of oil. The bumper was ripped off.
Yeah.
That's
Sleds are coming right with it.
Hey, our idea worked.
That's deep powder though.
Do it again the other direction.
Yeah, turn it over. I'll tell you what, that's a workout coming down or up through that. All right, we got a little snow here. Mercy sakes. Worked our way back in here, got turned around down there. The old bomber did its job, got that old girl loaded up there. That wouldn't fit a Can-Am. I'd have to have a longer bed.
Yeah.
I guess use those ramps to our advantage, huh?
Yeah, you're gonna have to make an extension.
I'm gonna put a tilt bed on it that just folds down.
That would be nice.
Hydro
Yeah.
in all our dreams. Ditch there with that big old jag of snow. What do you think?
Good times.
How's she running?
Pretty good.
You warm?
Yeah.
Me too.
Toasty warm.
You can come this way a bunch. Well, not a bunch, but you can come this way.
Know what I'm up to? I got a cup of snow and a liter of Mountain Dew. And you just pour it in there like that. Try not to pour it all over your truck. And look what we got. Yellow snow. Ah, much better. Look what I made.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, that was pretty awesome. Me and Ken made it in there and not too many problems, just in and out. Equipment's all running good. It's nice to have a machine that you use all summer, so when you get ready to use it in the winter, you just go use it. It needs a little bit of a track adjustment on that right side so it drives straight, but other than that, we're going to work our way off the mountain nice and slow. The roads, they even look better now than they did before. Had a lot of traffic on them, so we're going to get whipped around here and we'll get back to town. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Well, we're working our way off the mountain. Roads are actually pretty good. Got a little bit of a slush on them, but other than that, they're cleared up pretty good. But we had a good time out there today. Look at that mess. Oh, well, that's not very handy. What happened?
Smelling something.
What happened there?
Your wheel fell off.
Well, wheel bearing fell off.
I could smell it smoking. And it just flopped.
What did it smell like?
It smelled like burnt brake.
Well, let's throw that up in the front and we'll head out. I don't know what else we're gonna do.
You still have 2 others, so you'll be fine.
Burn rubber, I guess.
You got 5 more.